Hey y'all, this is Cugino's ridiculously delicious Spicy Korean Gochujang Pho. And picked it up at my local Woodman's. I love Woodman's groceries. Just takes 5 to 10 minutes to simmer after you get the water boiling. And now it says add a protein of choice. In my case, had a can of chicken breast. Actually, no, it's white and dark meat, which has, excuse me, more flavor. Bean sprouts would actually be really delicious, and mushrooms not bad. Sliced jalapeno and drizzle with sriracha sauce. Now, I like spicy, but my mouth is still burning and I have a runny nose from a bowl of this. So adding jalapenos and sriracha may be insane. Now, if I had, actually I do have some gochujang paste, but I don't need it. Yeah, if you like super hot, add the jalapenos and the sriracha. But look at the specks of, it's like gochujang or something floating in there. It's spicy, but it's really good. So, I do recommend it, and it's very low in calories. Cugino's, and they have other flavors of stuff too. I don't remember offhand. I think some chicken noodle soup or something, and I forget what else. But good stuff, good price, good taste, very spicy, which makes it good. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing your helpful comments. And most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. We'll see you next time. Bye.